Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can create keyboard shortcuts on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do is just tap on settings and find the general tab and go to keyboard right here and tap on text replacement. And now if you press the plus icon, you will be able to for example, create a shortcut. So let's create one, and as fast as possible, here SAP, and okay, it replaced it. Okay, never mind. Press. Okay, so the keyboard is working against me. Let's press the X button. Okay, let's save it. As you can see, the shortcut has worked. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.